before noon. See if we can't see one out, maybe get a chance at reaping one. Then we're going to grab us some lunch and we're going to hop right across the state line and go get a blind on the Tennessee side and see if we can't make something happen this afternoon. But that's part of turkey hunting. You know, gotta be patient. So that's what we're going to do, guys. Alright guys, we're just now getting settled in on the Tennessee side. The rain started pouring down. Get settled in. There's already 2 hens feeding out in this field. I knew they'd come out to these fields during the rain or after the rain, so we'll see if we can kill a gobbler of these live hens out here, so we'll see what happens. The rain's picked up. We're waiting for the last break in the rain to come. We've waited and waited, and we've had some hens feed out in this field, but no gobblers. The rain's really going to pick up here in the next hour, so we're going to try to get our gear packed up and try to get out of here without getting absolutely soaking wet or trying to dodge a storm or two. So it's been a good day. Nothing productive, but it's always a good day when you get to spend it in the woods. So get packed up, get to the house, get a game plan for tomorrow, and hit it wide open again tomorrow. See you in the morning. Alright, we're back at it. We left the boys at home, and the dads are doing it today.
It's our turn now.
We got both the kids on birds, so it's our turn. So we're sitting here on the Tennessee side just getting set up.
In a hurricane.
And about 30-mile-an-hour wind, so we'll see what happens. We'll sit here and enjoy the day anyway.
Give it about 15 minutes or so.
Alright, that ends the weekend. We never had no birds or anything show up. It's, I don't know. It's frustrating, you know. Stephen was successful with his son this morning, so me and him tried to get it done this evening. So we're getting our gear packed up and gonna call it a day. Sometimes that's how it goes. Oh. We're gonna let him pick up these. Look at him down there. He looks like a professional. Alright guys, y'all have a good week, and we'll see you next weekend, hopefully a little bit different circumstances. God bless. See you guys soon.
Bring the peanut butter and banana sandwich. I enjoy that.
He's got to eat like every 30 minutes. Like he has got a very short stomach that has to be fed every 30 minutes. So
I brought you snacks too, but if you keep talking like that, you're not going to do it.